This is not a video about how you should sacrifice everything in your life to make your first film. I'm not going to talk about working long nights. I'm not going to talk about working all through the weekend. I'm not going to talk about neglecting your family, your life, your health, because life is hard. We all have responsibilities. We have kids, we have jobs, we have businesses, and we don't all have the luxury of time. But this technique I stumbled across by accident when I was writing my first film, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes a night. I am aware that someday I will die. So I like to try and prolong my life by exercising. I walk and I run. But I also wanted to make a feature film before I reached the age of 35. I had no time to do this. So I noticed as I would go for a run or a walk, all these great ideas would come into my mind. I'd start to figure out plot lines or develop a story that I was thinking about for a movie. One day after I got home from the walk, I said, fuck it, I'm gonna capture this. So I took out my phone, I started to record in all the thoughts that I had, all the ideas that I came up with. Then I took the audio and I put it into an AI and I said, before you do this, be very careful with AI. We cannot have AI give us any creative input. It will ruin your ideas. It will ruin the spontaneity and it will turn your ideas into some sort of generic mush. Before you use the AI, you have to say to it, I don't want any creative input here. I want you to log these ideas and number them, because it's very good at organization, which I am extremely shit at. I'd sit back, I'd tell it all my ideas for scenes, all my imagery ideas, all of those things, and it would log everything in a beautiful list. And after the first night I did that, I looked down and I had 7 scenes written. Now I know that your average feature movie is about 70 to 80 scenes, so that meant if I did this 10 more times I'd have kind of the outline of a movie, which is fantastic. And it literally took 5 to 10 minutes after I went for a run, and this fit perfectly into my life. But then I started to think, wait a minute, I know I'm working all the time. I don't have time to sit down and write all day, but I do have time to think. So then I started to think about the movie all the time. When I'm doing the dishes, when I'm cooking dinner, when I'm outside digging a hole, always thinking of the movie. I'd come in, log the ideas, and they slowly but surely start to build up. Once I started to get into the habit of doing this, not only was I coming up with the scenes or the ideas, I was starting to figure out the structure of the movie. I was starting to figure out the storyline. Maybe this bit would go well here, this bit would be good here. Before I knew it, I looked down and I had a full film outlined before I even came to write it. I never even picked up a pen. Now, if you're very against ChatGPT, if you're very against AI, all you gotta do is sit down and log them, write them down. They don't even have to be in extreme detail. Just write down enough that you will remember what the idea is, because the last thing we want to do is let the ideas float off. That's how I did Outer Heavens, but since Outer Heavens I've got even better at this. And one day I remember I almost outlined a full other film on one walk, because I had all these other ideas stored in my head or from before, and my brain just started to put them all together. And literally I came home that night and I had 70 scenes all put together. I'll have to go in and rearrange things, but you just have the basic structure of it there, which is fucking unreal, especially with how little time it takes. At the moment, Outer Heavens is doing its festival run, which is actually kind of weird time, because there'll just be excitement then lull, excitement then lull. So in between I've started to write my second movie, which is called Station Island, and I'm very excited to do it because I'm doing it in a different way. I'm doing it all completely with a notebook this time, and I'm writing it down every evening after I go for a walk, or after I do some exercise, or after I've been thinking about doing things in the day. So I leave it till about 9 o'clock at night. I sit down and I write 4 or 5 different scenes. So if you're struggling to make that film, if you don't have any time, use this technique, because it's all in the thinking, you know, it's all in the mind. Coming up with that stuff, it's lovely. So there you go, that's how you write a movie if you have no time. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes a night.